What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Guys, today we're going to get a very important accessory for the bike. I had to get this much earlier, but then I kept delaying it. But today we're going to get it installed, and it's nothing but the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. So what that does is, obviously it will give us the exact tire pressure, so that I'll be doing some long rides, and no matter what, if you're doing long rides or city rides, having a TPMS will help you. Why the TPMS is important is because, one, having the correct pressure, it will increase the life of the tire, and also if it is more than the recommended pressure, it might lead to tire blasts also sometimes. So that's why we have to be careful. Nowadays these top end bikes, the R1250 GS and a few other bikes, they have the TPMS installed from the factory. So there are two types of this system, so I'll explain that to you once we go to the place where we are getting it installed. And again, we are going to Madhu's Tire Care. I think you would have seen that in the Q7 tire changing video. So they're pretty famous with all this installing tires, wheel balancing and all that. So that's why we are going there. Anyways, let's go there and I'll show you both the types. So guys, we are here at Madhu's again. Hi.
Hi Gautam.
So this is the external TPMS and this is the internal TPMS. So let me open that up for you. So guys, this thing goes inside the tire, on the wheel and inside the tire. So this stays in, and it has a battery life of 3 years.
5 years.
5 years. Okay, so 5 years battery life will be there, and we need to attach this using the steel
lock.
Steel lock. They've given something. So I'll show that to you once they're installing it. So this is how, and this sits on the wheel, and this is for the two-wheeler. This is for the car. So it's slightly different compared to the two-wheelers TPMS. This has the valve pre-installed, so this goes and sits on the opening there. And this is how the external TPMS is. So this thing, the valve, the one which will be sticking out of the wheel, we just need to install this there. Yeah. So we just need to install this on the valve and lock it. They have some special
they have a special tool to lock
Allen key, right? Yeah, they have a special nut and a tool to remove this, so it cannot be stolen. This is much easier to install, so yeah, a special type, I think. So, yeah, so this cannot be stolen easily, but every time we put the air, we need to remove this, right?
Yes, I know you have to.
Yeah, so that's the reason I'm not getting this. I want it to be more convenient, so that's why I'm getting this. The installation process will go out and I'll show it to you how they're going to install. First they're going to remove the tire. So let's go out.
We need to pair this with your mobile.
Oh yeah, the pairing process and all that, once it's installed, I'll show it to you. So let's go install it first. So this is the car TPMS. They have a set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay. This is a set of 5 and this is a set of 4. So set of 5, this goes for the spare wheel as well. If you don't want it for the spare wheel, you can go for the set of 4 ones.
Set of 4 will cost you 5,700.
5,700.
And set of 5 will cost you 6,700.
And what about this, the internal TPMS?
This will cost you 2,800 rupees.
Okay.
The external will cost you 3,200.
The external is more costly.
Yes.
Why is that?
The external is very easy to fit, so
okay.
They prefer.
But this has this needs more manpower, right?
More
you need to remove the.
So we do it as a compliment from our side.
Okay. So if you are getting this, it's a complimentary installation, but wheel balancing is separate.
When you buy online, it will be the same price.
Okay.
Whereas we charge 500 rupees for fitment.
Okay.
Per wheel.
Per wheel.
And for car TPMS, we charge 250 for fitment when you buy it online.
Online. Okay.
And the pricing is almost the same. You buy online or with us.
Okay. So guys, this is all the TPMS, and I think this is a must-have accessory. So let's go and install it first. And just like that, the rear wheel is out. Now they're going to remove the tire and they'll install the TPMS. And the sensor is installed. Putting back the tire. Guys, the installation is done. It took quite a while, almost 2.5 hours. But the only thing is they couldn't do the wheel balancing for some reason. It was showing too much weights to be added. So they thought there was something wrong, so they didn't do the wheel balancing part. And now, so this is the app here, the Senseri. So once we go there, I've selected, you need to, add the vehicle info, not the vehicle info. You need to add while installing the TPMS. There's a button there, so if you press hold of it, it activates and it automatically gets connected via Bluetooth on the phone. So I've named it BMW F850 GS, and the pressure is we put in 32, but because of the heat maybe it will increase, so 33 and 36. So once you go in there, you have the firmware version, battery level is full, temperature is the limit, is all that is there. The minimum pressure threshold 33, I have set it at 46 as the maximum pressure threshold. Right now the pressure is 36.3. For the front tire, minimum is 28, maximum, so you can edit it however you want to. The battery level is again full here, so this is for the temperature. And this is how the dash looks. For a car it looks different, for a bike it looks different. And yeah, let's continue talking while we are on the move. And I don't know if I have some wobble or not. I need to check that when I'm on the highway. So first thing, I have to get the chain tightened now. The chain has become very loose. So I'm going to the BMW showroom. They told me to come at 2:30. So by the time we go, should be fine. I'm not sponsored by Madhus or that, what's that brand, Senseri brand for that matter. I got it installed because I felt it was a much needed accessory. So in case they want to sponsor me, you can reach out to me, Senseri. And Madhus, they straight away told me that they're not going to sponsor anyone, nor that they're going to give their services for free. That's what they told, I don't know.
A few moments later.
Just got back from the BMW showroom. Wow guys, the BMW service team has improved a lot actually. Before there were many complaints regarding the service, but now I am super happy today with BMW service. There was Rajat who was in charge of the entire service team, and he did a very good job. He has explained everything properly to me. Before all this wasn't there, it felt new actually. And yeah, hats off to BMW service now. And for the chain tightening, chain lubing, and just a general check, everything was done. So yeah, pretty happy with it today. And the bike, they checked everything and there's no issues with it, so we can do some long rides. I just need to carry a set of rear brake pads if I am doing a 3000 plus kilometer ride, which is not gonna happen now. We'll see, maybe sometime in the future. So guys, there you go, all about the TPMS and BMW service. If you've liked the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button below and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.